Orlando Pirates can just forget about the league. Angithi sicela iPulukwane City ukuthi yosenzela ifavor isizwe laphana makumele wina amagame abalekile bayafana neChiefs bayahluleka they folded bayowinisa iMamelodi Sundowns nga 3-0 and the reason I'm saying Orlando Pirates can just forget about the league is number one, Orlando Pirates doesn't have a coach that can win them the league. They have a squad that can definitely compete and win the league and win anything kubhetshwe Premiership. Mara inkinga ku-Orlando Pirates khona manje. Orlando Pirates doesn't have a coach okukuthi angakwazi ukuthi abawinele i-league. I mean, how do you expect to win the league when udlala nguMasindi Nemtajela? How do you expect to win the league when your main striker is Yanela Mbuthuma? How do you expect to win the league when you go to Stellenbosch FC or you sign Abu Dion and you're telling me that you want to win the league? How do you win the league when you loan out a lethal striker, so you're sacrificing Mabasa for Mbuthuma? And then it's nokuzwa ama-legend because ama-legend bafuna nje ukuba negama elihle in the game because angazi maybe bafuna ama-affiliation or association with certain teams. Uzumuntu athi no, you don't understand the importance of Mbuthuma. Mbuthuma pulls the defense. We don't want him to pull the defense. We want him to score goals. Ikram Reyners doesn't pull the defense. He scores goals. Uleon doesn't pull the defense. He scores goals. So if you are going to play for a team like Orlando Pirates and you're going to be a coach, your team efana ne Orlando Pirates, you must know ukuthi ufuna ukuwina league. You can't tell me that when you want to win the league, Mara, you're going to play a 1-0 draw Kaizer Chiefs. The Chiefs is fairly. Umswahla this season the Chiefs. If fairly Chiefs, makata when ufuna win the league, you're drawing the Chiefs. You can't tell me you want to win the league or drawing about Richards Bay. So Coach Abdeslam Moawadu doesn't know what he's doing Lapa Orlando Pirates. If anything, at the end of this season, my pela season, Oadaga hambe ne MTN 8 ahambe ne calling knockout take because those cups count for nothing. At the end of the season, Laoma Cup, they count for nothing. They're not even a cup that are recognized by FIFA. At least if Beba winning Nedbank Cup, then we'd be having a different conversation. So the reason Orlando Pirates won't win the league is not because Mamelodi Sundowns say iPulukwane City. It's simply because they don't have a coach that understands how important it is for us to win the league this season. Mamelodi Sundowns is not the Mamelodi Sundowns of old. Actually, Sundowns is Sazil. By this time of the season, Sundowns say repili league. Orlando Pirates sharp as a milugu push by Fageli pressure Sundowns, but Sundowns Esiazio. I dali so. If there was any season to dethrone Mamelodi Sundowns, begu iyo le season le. Not next season, not that other season, iyo le season le. Under Miguel Cardoso, uyambona ukuthi Cardoso uya struggle, Cardoso na himself akayazi into ayenzayo. But Orlando Pirates fell short with title race. And Orlando Pirates, they have themselves to blame this season for not winning the league. And ngikhuluma so because I'm telling you, iphelile league. There's no way Chiefs is only Sundowns. There's no way Sundowns is a loser 2 or 3 games in a row. Iphelile league. Even if Chiefs beats Sundowns on Wednesday and then Pirates ya winner again, let's say Orlando Pirates wins on Tuesday and then Chiefs eat the Sundowns on Wednesday. The next coming games the Pirates kusafana isanga draw. Isanga draw Orlando Pirates. So I honestly don't understand why again when the league started did we even think we'd win the league with Coach Abdeslam Moawadu. He lost 2 important games. Zisasuga Elikin sharp. Ever since then it's been win. But skomplainile ngale rotation. Le rotation. We are here today because of le rotation. We are here today because of not playing the right players in their rightful positions. That's why we are here today. We are here today. See joke. See inhlekisa kuma supporter we Chiefs bazokhuluma about Orlando Pirates being the best number 2 simply because of the rotation yaga Owadu. It's simply because of the rotation yaga Owadu. Masindi Nemtajela has never competed for a league, he's never competed for a cup or anything. Wazin, why is the Orlando Pirates? Legend the Pirates Benson Mhlongo wezala what the season they won the league ne Orlando Pirates. They had signed most players ebebasuka kuma team okukuthi bebaqeda win league. Experienced players who know what it's like to compete for a league. Ubani khona manje Pirates ukuya win league. Eliphi iplayer elidlalela Pirates khona manje elikela winner league. Ngicela ningibalele player that plays for Orlando Pirates currently that has won the league. And I take nothing away from the players. Very good squad. Libone CM was a good signing. Tsepang Moremi, good signing. The only issue is that we have players that know how to compete, players that can bring results, players that can go into the field. But Coach Abdeslam Moawadu just won't play those players. Coach Abdeslam Moawadu makangakuthandi usenkingeni. Kabelo Dlamini might be leaving. Coach Moawadu akafuni ukumdlala. Thabiso Lubitsi uhlele ebenchini abafuni ukumdlala. Dino Van Rooyen who is an actual right back akadlala uSibelebele ugijima up and down lapha ku right doing all the work I want. Sibelebele is a wing. Play him as a wing. uyamconverta manje somdlalisa iposition angayidlali ishubile. And also this thing yokuthi Orlando Pirates bangabi nekeeper yes2 esingayithemba esiyaziyo iyasibulala. What happens if uSipho aba injured 5 games kulandelelana? What happens if uSipho injured 5 games kulandelelana? Then Orlando Pirates is in trouble. So coach Abdeslam Owadu mela hambe. We can't wait ukuthi maybe next season. No, magahamba coach Abdeslam Owadu. Orlando Pirates has the players and they have the depth ekukuthi ngaba win a league. The only issue is that lo coach oscoach ayo khona manje uyo ngajwayela ngokwin league. Uyo ngajwayela ngokwin league. Akayazi into akayenzayo. Coach Owadu must leave. And yes, when a club is nonsense, we'll call it nonsense. When a club is useless, we'll call it useless. I player mayidlala inyongo sizosho sithi le player leli lidlala inyongo. Mina one thing about me, mina ngina favoritism. Mina mawubheda kimi uyabheda ngiyakhuluma straight. And asibiza abantu ukuthi bayabheda because siyabazonda. Angizozuzani mina ukuzonda uMdudu Shabalala. Ngizozuzani mina ukuzonda uyanela Mbuthuma. But if you are going to play for a team as big as Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, mele wamkele pressure. Ningazosabi pressure, amkele pressure that comes with playing for those teams. Le England le bayathukwa le. Babizwa amagama serious ama player abantu nabangadlala into ecacile. It's because ama supporter afuna ukuwina. Aso stadium so bhekelela ama 1-0 draws, bhekelela ama team aswaka draw le. Sifuna izinto zibe right. Son of Chi, good question. Who is the striker coach Orlando Pirates? Is there even a striker coach? Because evidence Makhupa akalazi pal. uRadio Pani akalazi pal. Yanela Mbuthuma akalazi pal. Ngibale 3 strikers currently Orlando Pirates. Boy 3 akekho sekakore more than 5 goals this season. Mara if Orlando Pirates wants to win the league, uyawina kanjani league ungena striker sikwazi ukora goal? When was the last time Yanela Mbuthuma scored? Ngoba nale goal alikorila against AmaZulu bekagcine nini ukora prior to le goal le ayikorile. uRadio Pani asakhulumi. Evidence Makhupa sakhulumi. Yabona, the only issue here is aniyiboni lento leyenzakalayo. This season exposed the Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi abasekho strong. So mabaso, you must take advantage as a team and make sure ukuthi wena you win all the important games. In Mamelodi Sundowns, one thing I'll always commend lo muntu osana ama player for akadlali la muntu loya. Wenza sure ukuthi yazini, if we are to compete for ICAF and continue to dominate the league, Sting striker score ama goal, baphethu Shalulile is a goal scoring machine, baphethu Ikram Reyners goal scoring machine, naku babuyo sanu Leon manje goal scoring machine. Inumber 10 yabo Atasalez umuntu olazi ipala, Tashrik Matthews on the playing on the left umuntu olazi ipala, Matrapa Thapelo Morena uyakora uyacrossa uyacreator, he does everything right. Ku Orlando Pirates is just dependent on 3 players. Goodbye nze all the bafethu mele kor Mfukeng or apolice or kor Muremi bangakoranga laba boy 3 pheli Pirates ayikori bangakoranga laba boy 3 pheli Pirates ayikori because laba boy 3 yibo kuphela bakwazi ukushaya more than 2 goals egamini. Siyambona Mfukeng yawashaya ama hat-trick, siyambona nanginalo mfana wa police yawashaya ama brace. Imagine Orlando Pirates idli team 6-0 kulama goal lawa i6 akunaneli 1 eliphuma ku striker. Bafethu no Coach Abdeslam Owadu makahamba at the end of the season mela ahambe no Dion ahambe no Masindi Nemtajela babuyele laba suka khona maybe lapha emathimini abo labe badlala khona bebadlala kamnandi. But ever since they came to Orlando Pirates ayikho into abayenzayo. You can never tell me ukuthi you are going to bench uMakhehleni Makhawula for lo mfana lo uMasindi Nemtajela. Our Slepe have been there. They've been grinding Orlando Pirates from DDC. He understands what it's like to play for a Pirates. Very good and solid lantwana leyana. He's a good passer off the ball uhlula uMasindi Nemtajela, but he's sitting on the bench lapha. Uhleli lapha ebenchini. Ngicela ni clip le moment watch kusasa coach Owadu uyoqala ngoMasindi Nemtajela. Yabona manje inkinga. Wonke umuntu manje South Africa has something to say. Orlando Pirates is the only team that has been challenging Mamelodi Sundowns for the past 3 seasons. You understand? Now everyone sakafuna ukuthi Arsenal. Orlando Pirates is the Arsenal of South African football. Orlando Pirates is the Arsenal of South African football. Angazi mini Arsenal ike win Champions League na. Angazi Arsenal ike yadlala final ye Champions League nini na. Orlando Pirates last season bafike ku semi final. So don't ever compare Orlando Pirates to Arsenal. Orlando Pirates is angazi how many times better than Arsenal. Ayikho indaba ye Arsenal. Yo Warata Chiefs hle. Chiefs i-team yase South Africa ngizokhuluma ngayo i-Chiefs and nomlomo wami lo I can talk about any team that I want to talk about akunanja akunakati akunamuntu ozosuka la soka khona ngitshele ukuthi ngikhulume ngayiphi team. If you don't want to watch the content you are more than welcome to scroll past hamba uyobhekelela enye into wena ufuna ukuyibhekelela. Ngizokhuluma nga any team futhi mangiqeda la ngena ku Chiefs. Mangiqeda la nje ngena ku Chiefs. All those strikers don't score. Masindi don't deserve to play for Pirates. We bench Mbule. Ngicela ungenzele lento yenza isense. So you telling me Masindi Nemtajela is better than Usipho Mbule? Is that why Masindi is getting more game time? Hugo Bruce womunye na yazi uyo smoshile lesa sikhathi babizwe uMasindi Nemtajela squadini all of a sudden bese kubonakala ngathi hayi uMasindi Nemtajela umuntu ontsembu umuntu omnandi angaze ngabona a professional player that dribbles the ball njengoMasindi Nemtajela. I have never seen that. Uyambona umuntu odevelop ebhuqwini and masikhuluma about the importance of development kuba ngathi sadelela yabona him not being developed the right way is exposing him right now makadlalela iPirates because itempo yePirates iphezulu. Uyambona ukuthi akadevelopwanga lo mfana uMasindi Nemtajela. You can't learn how to trap, how to pass, how to space and how to dribble the ball so dlala at professional level. Into ebulala ibhola lethu. Bese next thing sihamba saku World Cup sithi sifuna ukucompete nabo Mexico nabo inini. Kuyobe kudlala bona abo Masindi Nemtajela. Yili ibhola esilidlalayo leli. Mamelodi Sundowns will always dominate South African football. Kuyoze kubuya uJesu. Mamelodi Sundowns will dominate. Kuyoze kubuya uJesu. I-development structure sabo si sound good height lapha ku development yabo. Mawuthi uyabheka ama player bawasayinayo basayina ama player that are contributing to i-club. Ama player kora ama goal, ama player kwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke. Yazi ku Mamelodi Sundowns I think yabona from a move kuya phambili. Everyone une goal. Everyone une goal. Angaze ngabona uNkosinathi Sibisa kora mina this season. Because what we are doing now, we are comparing Orlando Pirates to Mamelodi Sundowns. I don't think Nkosinathi Sibisi has scored this season. Marama center back with Mamelodi Sundowns, I can assure you, sebakorile kule season. So it's an issue. It's a big issue. It's a very big issue. And the only issue lana is that abantu abafuni ukutshelwa amaqiniso, abantu abafuni ukukhuluma iqiniso, abantu bafuna sibatshela izinto abafuna ukuzizwa. Unfortunately mina ngisilo umuntu onjalo, angeke ngikutshela into ofuna ukuyizwa, mina ngilo umuntu okutshela into okumele ukuthi uyizwe. Masindi Nemtajela is not Orlando Pirates material. Yanela Mbuthuma is not Orlando Pirates material. Udiyo nasinandaba ukuthi ubuya le New Zealand akabuyela la soka khona. He's not Orlando Pirates material. Mawudlalele Orlando Pirates you must be a good player. Mele ube a star because you are playing for a big team. Mawudlalele Chiefs you must be a good player. Mele ube a star because you are playing for a big team. ukhuluma Ndamani by the way made a mistake ukuya ku Sundowns. Uvele wazithatha wazihenga. Iphuthe elikhulu lela lenzi kuba umana aya ku Chiefs or yona iPirates because yayibona ukuthi kuma Mamelodi Sundowns le bhola lela balidlalayo clearly akuselakhe. Izolo he made a silly mistake uthatha ibhola from goalkeeper waphasa istriker sePulukwane City 99 sekukunalesa striker sePulukwane City angazi besibheke kuphi or besicabangana or bekwenzakalani so hlula ukora against Ronwin Williams sekahlula ukubhoboza uRonwin Williams lesa striker safathuza. Last Mamelodi Sundowns playing against Stellenbosch FC is shubile baba ziyalandana boom he commits a foul. Now the biggest question is if lo mfana lo uyahamba uya ku World Cup, aren't you worried ukuthi then uzoba more clumsy than he is now ku Mamelodi Sundowns? If he's making these mistakes ku Sundowns, what more masekadlala esquadini for bafana? Hugo Bruce, I hope uzokhetha wisely mfowethu. I hope Hugo Bruce uzokhetha wisely mfowethu. Aringi Linda Twala, what's the purpose of this podcast? If I understand indaba yakho angazi defineele yona nginina seniyasikhulumela nina nokuba ama spokesperson wethu. And I don't understand this culture as South Africa when your team is being attacked kukuthi team yakho idlala umbhedo wena uyakwada ufuna ukuketch ama feelings ufuna ukushaya abantu uthukisana nabantu ubiza amagama abhlungu ku social media just because kukhulunywa amaqiniso ngeteam yakho. Unfortunately iqiniso manje lithi Orlando Pirates is not going to win the league. Iqiniso lelo. And another truth lithi iKaizer Chiefs ayibuyanga akuna Chiefs ebuyile iChiefs isase swak akuna neplayer li1 ku Chiefs esingalibala manje sithi lintswembu goalkeeper kuphela umuntu oyazi into akayenzayo. Mamelodi Sundowns itself, this has to be one of their worst seasons. Ayiki season ewes ukuhlula le for iMamelodi Sundowns. Marabo Chiefs, Pirates nalamanye amateam bayahluleka ukuthi bayidli Sundowns. iLiverpool iwin league last season mara yababona khona manje ukuthi ba off form kanjani. Ngisho neMan United yeMan United yabachamela manje. yabachamela neMan United manje once i-team ya drop form amanye ama-team mela capitalize athela induku ashaya abantu ayenze kuphela so khona manje ke Orlando Pirates nabo Kaizer Chiefs bayahluleka unfortunately James athi Orlando Pirates for life we are going to win the league mfana kuyomele si fast kuyomele yabona la angazi amaqanda la yabona la ku stock kwakhona amaqanda kuyomele sithole itrack isideliver amaqanda mangabe sizowina ileague because ayikho lento le bafethu ayikho lento le Orlando Pirates izodliwa angeke iziwine le league le iyahamba ya kuma Mamelodi Sundowns Forbes Ronaldo comment ku Facebook let me just check now. And then YouTube. All right, bafethu asikhulumeni ke manje. Namhlanje ngifuna ukuphendula ama comment wenu. Kakhulukazi laba abathanda ukungithuka, laba abathanda ukukhuluma ngamacici wami. Hey, yes by the way, I learned something new Forbes. Nanekusatsibo umuntu okenya ngamacici konke imsadi. Nekisatsibi. All along bengizothi ngiyindoda. Angithi khona bompetha la sebafuna ukuscorrect abasitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani bona hayi bengazi shoot Tupac naye bekumfazi phela I didn't know shoot Chris Brown lena kingwanyana kuri liboshaka back then abakenya amacici nelibanyana hayi bengazi bafethu ukuthi amacici afakwa kuphela abantu besifazane ayinhlakanipho yeni yabona sometimes how ludom uzama uketsa ka Rutlevo vele ubona lo Rustlila straight akhona angisayiboni comment yakho ngithi ngiqala ngawe mfethu or sisi asikisi futhi but I think angisayiboni comment yakho akhona okay Manqoba maphela afita Dube are you talking shit idle leyo shit engikhuluma imnando kusalayo Mazia Fana Mbongiseni Sundowns ifaka isibibi to ngifaka isibibi to mina Sundowns just ngikhuluma iqiniso iPirates angeke iziwine ilokho nje league if iPirates be serious ngokwini league kube yadla yokwayona iSundowns the only problem is that amanye ama team ako PSL bafuna ukuyosayina umuntu osuka kuMagesi FC osuka kuOrbit College adlalela i-team that has never competed for anything bese bayamthatha bamfaka kuChiefs nako Pirates and then you expect that player to do well like does it make sense iyenza sense na lento le uthatha umuntu ongakaza umuntu ngisho neMTN 8 akaza iwina loyo muntu uyamthatha uyomfaka ku Pirates or Chiefs and then you expect them to compete Lebo Hangmabu is doing well ku Chiefs manje because he's played for Mamelodi Sundowns he's played Kev he's played for Bafana he understands what it's like to play under pressure what tournament has Masindi ever competed for as an analyst athanda kusho has Masindi Nemtachela ever played a game of consequence no Yanela Mbuthuma has he ever played a game of consequence no Udion has he ever played a game of consequence no bonke labantu labenqoqa ukubabiza they've never played games of consequence no abakazi uSibongule has competed at the highest level uyu umuntu bekumele ukuthi uthola more game time ahead of lo mfana lo uNemtachela uMakhetleni Makhawula has played iCAF neMazulu played CAF neOrlando Pirates he's won MTN 8 neOrlando Pirates uyayazi pressure ukuthi kunja and he understands uqeda number 2 every season ukuthi kubhlungu kanjani uyazi ukuthi masilwe league kumele silwe kanjani